I find this a little bit eerie. I find this a little bit eerie because a person like, say, Buju Banton. Did you see the video that Buju posted recently where it said, don't trust them?
Do not trust them.
And I'm going to do a completely different video. I would insert that video clip of Buju saying don't trust them right now, but I won't. I'll save it for when we do the other video. Have y'all heard what, is it Guatemala? Have y'all heard what Guatemala said about their deportees that came back? Me don't know, you know. I don't know. Things look a bit shaky, but we're going to talk about it. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Right into it. We say reason with intelligence, yes? Read between the lines, people, because we're not going to spell out everything for you all the time. And if I have to spell everything out for you all the time, then this might not be the channel for you. Or you might have to go ask somebody to translate it for you. Okay? Check this out. According to Loop, and of course Glean and Observer carry it too, but I'm just taking it from Loop right now. I like to give credit where credit is due, so people don't say, Lord, them just keep people work and not even say where and get it from. You know, people stay already. Anyhow, 62 Jamaicans who are being deported from the United States are due to arrive in the island of Jamaica on Tuesday, April 21st, aboard a chartered flight. Now, recently I did a video where I said, it's funny how the Jamaican government has to accept these deportees. Well, really, they don't have to, but if they don't, there are sanctions that they will face, and there are some steep sanctions. Either that or stand up and say, no, we don't want them, not in a time like this, and face those sanctions, right? But they're willing to accommodate. But I can't help but think about the 62, 64, 65, or 45 people that, Jamaican people, that ship workers, not 60, 45. Some say 43, some say 45. Ship workers that were turned away. Jamaican citizens, born and bred, working out at sea. Law-abiding, tax-paying citizens, not criminals, and none of them had been reported to have this C-word thing that I go around. And yet they were turned away and made to sail from Jamaica, go way up Portugal. Go get told, nope, we don't want you here either. Now they're going way to the UK, where they could possibly be told the same, hell no, we got our own drama going on. You keep floating around out there in the sea until your Jamaican government said, them finally want you home. They sent these people out to sea. But they're making accommodations speedily for these 62 that are coming in per Donnie's order, and you better take them, right? So anyhow, listen, because when I get to the Guatemala part, because people right now are saying, oh hell no, there's no possible way that we should be friggin' taking in deportees right now. Other people are saying, listen, they are Jamaicans, they were breaking the law, them going to other people's place, the people don't want them there anymore. Kick them out. But when they kick them out, where else you expect them to go but they're home? They do belong to Jamaica. So it's Jamaica's right, it's not right, but it is Jamaica's duty to make sure that they can accommodate their own citizens. Now, the people them are run scared right now because they're saying, we don't want to see something here coming in. Other people are saying, I wonder if they might try to destabilize the place. Sending a whole bunch of them, 62 infected people right now, would have frig up the island bad enough. Because if them ever get out there, then how many more will be infected? And before you know it, we will be in a place where we don't have enough ventilators to save lives. We don't have enough personal protective equipment because there's so much going on with that right there as well. If you missed the other video, then you don't know, right? Anyhow, the Minister of National Security has indicated that it has put measures in place to facilitate the safe return and accommodation of the deportees who are called involuntary returned migrants, or the IRMs. So we're going to refer to them as the IRMs from now on. He said that upon arrival, the IRMs will be quarantined for 2 weeks in a secure government facility where they will be processed by the relevant authorities. The Ministry of Health and Wellness recently conducted the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th, 39th, 40th, 41st, 42nd, 43rd, 44th, 45th, 46th, 47th, 48th, 49th, 50th, 51st, 52nd, 53rd, 54th, 55th, 56th, 57th, 58th, 59th, 60th, 61st, 62nd, 63rd, 64th, 65th, 66th, 67th, 68th, 69th, 70th, 71st, 72nd, 73rd, 74th, 75th, 76th, 77th, 78th, 79th, 80th, 81st, 82 sensitization sessions with staff at the facility. This thing is popping up in my screen while I'm reading. May I try to get it to and it can't go it. To all food service workers, thank you. I don't know why. Anyhow, the Ministry of Health and Wellness has recently conducted sensitization sessions with the staff of the facility detailing potential health risks of the COVID-19 and how to detect and report signs of the virus. And the ministry said that at a statement on Wednesday, I read on. It is said that while under quarantine, the IRMs, as they are being called now, no longer deportees, will be screened twice daily. Good measure. Will be, because a lot of people are worried and a lot of people are saying, well, what about being asymptomatic? Where you don't show no signs, no symptoms, and you come in, and then after you come in 2 weeks later is when you get fully blown. Will they even be able to detect that during quarantine? Because asymptomatic means from the day they land until 2 weeks later, they could very well not be showing any signs. And 2, 3, 4 days after they get released into population, I don't feel too good. Awesome. More people. Wow. The arrival of the I don't like call them IRMs. I like call them deportee because that's what we're used to. No disrespect to any of them. And I perfectly I've done videos that I understand. Not everybody that gets deported is a criminal per se. As in rape, murder, kill, pillage and plunder. Some of them just really went to go look for something better, right? And because it's very limited where we're at. And they got caught up. And now they're being returned to where they come from. I just set the thing up. Alright, so it's no offense to anyone. I'm using a word I'm more familiar with. The arrival of the IRMs is not a novel occurrence. It is one of the monthly returns that are scheduled to arrive in the country on March 26, 2020. However, the government negotiated a further date to prepare for the IRM's arrival under measures imposed to prevent the spread of this C-word thing will go around. So what the Ministry of Health is saying that, our Minister of Security is saying that this is nothing new. Nothing new. Every month or every other month, a plane comes in from the United States of America bringing in deportees from the US. Them run way over there, them catch them, then bring them back. Right? I was surprised to know the numbers that it was close to 800 every year since, and they gave 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and it was 700 and something, 700 and something, 700 and something, 700 and something every one of those years from the US alone. A lot of people are saying, damn, SouFlo, I learned something new because I didn't know that many people were coming in deported from the US and that they came in every month. Now you know. And there's no big fanfare about it. It's not front page news all the time. They just come in. So, Ministry of Security is saying, this is not new. It's one of those that were scheduled to come. And this one was supposed to have arrived March 26th. But they had negotiated for a later date of the arrival to give themselves more time to prepare to receive them. And that's what we see Aguan, according to them. It is said that in keeping with the Jamaican Constitution and the Jamaican National Act, Jamaica is duty bound to accept these IRMs. Well, you were duty bound to accept those people on that damn ship too. So we're going this up. Or one little bird pitch on my shoulder and tell me, say, well, the money never run for them people up on the ship in a SouFlo, so you know, I said, them just send them there out to sea. Plus, poor people picking them, you know. But if I did some prominent family members of one of the top ruling families in Jamaica or prominent families, you'd see how fast emergency reaction showed its true definition in that. Anyhow, that's not what we're talking about. So, for his part, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang said that there will be controlled re-entry while observing this whole see something prevention protocols. Here's the part that gets me bothered. The ministry said that it understands that the public's concern regarding the repatriation of fellow Jamaicans to the country, especially during a time like this. However, we continue to be guided by our health officials and security forces to uphold best practices during this pandemic, right? Pressure was brought to bear on the Andrew Holness administration after the US President Donald Trump warned US visa sanctions for countries which refuse to accept their deportees. Tensions heightened this week though when Guatemala revealed that 75% of persons who were recently sent back to Guatemala from the US had actually came back testing positive for the something there. 75%. So someone who go to school and did good in a maths, because me never did too good in a maths. English was more my thing. 75%. So 75% of 60. 62 I come, right? So 75% of 60 are what party? Alright. And then if we get a plane every month, and each month you have 40 to 60, and we say 75% of them they come in with the something, then you're saying about 3-4 months what we have. It don't look good. It don't look good. Alright? Anyhow, that is the main worry for a lot of people. 75% of the persons in Guatemala scream out and say, no, a lie, them a tell. They're telling you that they're sending them back with nothing and they'll be perfectly healthy, but a lie. They're coming back infected because 75% of ours did. With more than 641,000 infections, the United States has far more cases than any other country. It also has the most deaths with more than 28,000 as of today. Wow. So, do Jamaican people have a right to be concerned, worried, you would think? On a small island like Jamaica, things can spread like wildfire. And I've been noticing, I saw like a couple of videos put out, people outside don't care, party still a go on, big wind down session in the middle of the day, skin out, broke out, music a play, and they're really not taking this thing really seriously. Now, enough of them people here that's coming back, I can bet my bottom dollar that they are, after their quarantine, will be released into a certain sector of our society. Around them same people there that cough, sneeze, don't care, we're out the door, same way mentality, no face mask, nothing. So this is going to be very interesting to see. This will fully play out about a month from now. I am very aware of the cases being jumped up because I was celebrating recently saying Jamaica only have 79 cases, that's not even much. And I'm glad that they're right there. And by the time I wake up the next day, it's 105. And the next time I look around before I even shot a video to say it went to 105, 125. And before I even did that, the number gone up again. So, a month from now, it's going to be interesting to see. Come on, give them deported some time to come in, get quarantined, get released to population. So I'm talking 3-4 weeks from now. I want to see what that outcome is going to be. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to keep it clean in the comment section, right? But I still want you to talk your mind. This is why this channel right here is for intelligent people, because some people cannot express themselves without profanity. Some people cannot express themselves without spelling everything out and drawing attention to us. Unwanted attention to us. So learn how to either speak in codes, read between the lines, say things with a certain, how should I say it now, a certain level of couth. Me know what y'all talk about. Alright? Leave your comments in the comment section below. This is very puzzling. I think I might have to do a part 2 to this. There's so much more that I want to say, but I'll leave room for the audience to say all they have to say, and I'll join you in the comment section below. Alright? So there's a definite date set for the deportees to come in. They're coming in. It is said that this is nothing new. They would have came in already. This plane was scheduled to be there by sometime in March. But the Jamaican authorities had negotiated with the US authorities for a later date of delivery because they wanted to be more prepared considering what has taken place, and that is what we are seeing play out. In any event, people are worried. People are worried that these people are coming in, they're being lied to that they're not coming in with anything, but they think that they are. And this could probably be very destabilizing for the small island of Jamaica. Talk up in the mind, let me know one office about that one here. SouFLoTV, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And for the person who said, the light too bright on your face, me can't look. It's not about seeing me. I'm here. I'm sure you can see me. Alright? Listen, though, to what I'm saying and reply accordingly. Peace.